to tell me while you cross the road? Alright, we're back out. We're up the mountain today in Dorrigo National Park. It's raining, overcast, perfect bloody weather for it. We're going to get all the way to the bottom of the escarpment today and hike up / climb to some massive waterfalls. Let's go. Alright, starting our trek down. We're just on the trail now, just on one of the walking tracks, which will get us to where the point is where we want to drop off down into the escarpment. And I forgot me bloody gaiters, so let me make sure I walk first. Right, that's a good sign. Alright, this is us. Let the steep drop begin.
There's a bit of fucking dirt and stuff in it.
It's slippery, eh?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's not fun, eh? There's some spiky stuff just right there at the bottom of it too. Oh.
Bloody graceful. You landed that alright?
If you got landed right on top of the spiky, you flattened it. Didn't even get me.
You're giving me some gold today. Alright, we're only a few hundred metres down this creek. I've actually got a fair bloody way to go. It actually drops down, I don't know, I can't remember, it's about 600 or 700 metres elevation, so you just take way down and then we'll climb back up next to the massive waterfall, the sketchy way. It's fun.
Oh fuck, it's tearing my pants.
Shero, feel these, man, they're really nice and furry.
Fucking something like
Just touch it.
Not me.
Yeah, we're still going down. We're going down for a while now. And it is slippery as shit. Probably 200 or 300 left, I reckon. Tell me it's only 200 or 300.
It's fucking 300.
It's 400, isn't it? Oh, bloody hell. How long have we been hiking for? I reckon we've been going for at least 3 days. Alright, finally down. We're down the creek. Thank God. Mate, that was about 2.5 hours from the car all the way down that escarpment. That was pretty sketchy. It was a decent hike down. We sort of had to stop halfway down and slow down a bit because we both took a couple of falls, so you're kidding. Eating a donut.
With my dirty gloves.
Be able to climb up the face of that little cascade there. I'm pretty sure that's the way we went up last time. A bit more water on it today, but it should be sweet. Wait till you see the bottom of this first waterfall. It's crazy. So good. Let's go. Actually, we might try and scoot up this ice wall. How good. Oh, bloody hell. Right, we're going to climb up to this second tier now. This is where it gets a bit hairy. This is where you know you're alive, climbing up this bit. And it's slippery as hell, so if you think we can, we will. If not, we'll climb up the side on the through the foresty bit, but see how we go. Don't slip. All good? Alright, put the phone away for this bit, I think. You sort of got to get your left foot across to that. Yeah, onto that ledge. Go down and start again. Go around. Yeah, yep. Once you get that rock, yeah, you'll be laughing. Alright, part 2. This is just rock climbing at this point. There's a root up the top here, eh? Get your right foot in there. Yeah. I'll pull you up, right? Yeah. Just to get that root. Just as it starts to rain. It's so nice. Massive, eh? Absolutely massive. Extremely sketchy to get up to that thing, but wow. Yeah, I'm the same. I'm not climbing back down there. And I think up there is way too slippery and steep. We're going to have a crack this time at exiting out another way. Yeah, we're not going to climb up that way this time. Which way you want to go, mate? You don't want to go up that.
That bank there, that's where you want to go. Up that fucking thing. Up there.
That's the quickest way, that's why.
Yeah. Look,
Alright, we'll take you.
Oh, no, there's the highway, the yellow highway over here.
We'll take Grandma's footpath. Hope it clips out, we have to come back. Alright, it's fine. Fun bit. Just make sure you're holding on to something before your next step.
We're going to end up in fucking Redwood when you're in a second. See,
Just trying to find the easiest way up here. She's a bit sketchy, eh?
look, there.
Yeah, true.
Might be following one out. What do you reckon?
Right. Follow it.
Looking pretty flat.
Alright, trail. Thank bloody God. I feel 100. Alright, Shero thinks we're going the wrong way.
Somewhere else.
Bro, you literally look
My legs are cramping too.
you literally look like you're about to fall over. Shero was right, we're going the wrong way.
Also, I can't walk.
Shero nearly fainted, so
one wheel to get through this bush.
we're just taking 5 minutes here.
You gotta get moving.
Good to go? Never get tired of this place, hey? Always forget how hard the hikes are. It's like hiking PTSD. You always forget how hard they are, but always bloody worth it, eh? Right, let's get out of here. I think we've got about 4 or 5 Ks, I don't know, this trail back to the car, so. Oh, look at that. That is a good sight today. Seriously. That hurt. All right, we're back at the car. Thank God that was a hell day. I don't know why. That hurt today. That really bloody hurt. My legs were cramping up walking out there. Shero was nearly fainting, but we got it done, and that spot is bloody incredible. So thanks for coming along with us. Don't know where we're going next, but we'll see you out there.